To save your property search results to a marketing list, simply create your situational search. Once it's performed, make sure to select the records of interest individually from the right-hand side. This can be done by checking the small blank box next to each record. You may also select all the results by clicking the box just to the left of Unique Properties. Once the results of your situational property search have been selected, click on the Add to List option. As an aside, you can also filter out a specific number of searches from your results. Click on Filter, type in your desired amount, press Enter, and then click on the Add to List option. At this point, you'll be able to apply your search results to an existing marketing list or create an entirely new one. Finally, click Save and your list will be sent to the My Properties page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.